So now machine is ready, sir. So now we are going to start the trial for this new design, new machine. So now we have feed a groundnut. So today we'll finish the trial and we'll plan for dispatch, sir. So this is a completely wooden machine, 3 HP 3-phase machine with crane model we have done, sir. So now we're going to start the machine. And now we'll switch on the machine, sir. So now we'll pour half liter water first, sir. So this is a 1 liter water bottle. So half liter we have poured, sir. We'll wait for 5 minutes. If oil comes, no need of adding water, sir. If oil doesn't come, again we need to add water, sir. Now we have poured around like 750 ml of water for this groundnut, sir. So now we have got the oil from that groundnut. So the oil has started coming from this groundnut, sir. So another 5 to 10 minutes we'll be running this machine right in the same condition, and we'll be removing the oil out, sir. Now oil stored inside the drum, so now we'll take it out. So now we need to keep the lock cushion in this right side, sir. So that's it, sir. If you remove that lock, oil will come out. So this is pure groundnut oil, sir. Oil fully went down, sir. So once the oil get reduced, then we'll put the lock again, sir. So this is the same procedure for sesame, sir. For coconut, we no need of adding water, sir. If you just put the coconut directly inside, you will get the oil, sir. So no need of adding for the water in the coconut, sir. Only for groundnut and sesame, we'll be adding the water, sir. So that's it, sir. And one more thing, sir. Take the oil out, sir. So now you can see that the cake has fully become dry. So this is the second time we are taking the oil out, sir. So now averagely for the groundnut and sesame you will get 40% of oil output, sir. And for coconut you will get 55 to 60% of output, sir, oil output. That is based on the oil quality, sir, raw material quality. So average 40% you will be getting from the groundnut, sir. And we need to use only dried groundnut, sir. Only 5 to 6% moisture should be we should use. Then only you will get a proper oil output, sir. Now the raw material has becoming dry. So when it's fully dry, we will remove the cake out, sir. That's it. Trial is over, sir. So this is a groundnut cake, sir. We have taken out. So machine is cleaned inside, sir. We have taken all the cake out. So this is the crushing part we have taken out through the crane. And this is the oil we have got from the groundnut. Groundnut oil, pure groundnut oil, sir, without any mixing. 100% groundnut oil, cold pressed oil. So that's it, sir. Now this machine is ready for dispatch. We'll clean the machine and we'll plan for dispatch, sir.